Pero pag Totga, natatapos ba yun?
Well,
For
usapan Totga, my young kings and queens. Quick thoughts. Let's go. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, di ba? When you put label into something na hindi naman dapat, nabibigyan siya ng mas mabigat na meaning. Mas nabibigyan siya ng mas mabigat na pakiramdam. Katulad ng greatest love. Maraming mga tao nagtinuturing nila yung mga ex nila as their greatest love. Why? Kasi nilagay nila yung label na yun sa ex nila eh. That etong tao na to yung greatest love nila. So ngayon, nung nilagyan nila ng label ng greatest love, nadagdagan ng impact yung connection at yung relationship nila from their past. So sa utak ba siya moves parang psychological in a way? Yes. It's the same as manifesting. Kapag kiniklaim mo na mayaman ka, kapag binubuhay mo na yung pagiging mayaman, so ano ba yung buhay ng mga mayayaman? Palaging busy. 'Di ba? Kahit na may magandang mga gamit yan, katulad na lang ng sasakyan, maganda yung bahay, maganda yung relo. Okay, pero the fact is, busy ang mga tao na yan. Ngayon, kapag binuhay mo yung buhay nila, there's a huge possibility na maging katulad ka rin nila. Kasi nga manifesting eh. Ngayon, balik tayo sa relationship, you putting a label sa past connection na meron ka dun sa tao na yun, and labeling it as the one that got away, nagkakaroon lalo ng impact yung naging connection ninyo before. It has more meaning now than it actually has. Kaya ngayon na may impact na siya sa'yo, mabigat na yung impact sa buhay mo na meron kang tinuturing na the one that got away, mas komplikado ngayon sa'yo ang pag-ibig. Kasi katulad ng greatest love, your greatest love should be your present partner or your future partner. So paano yung Totgamus? Bakit kasi may tinuturing kayong ganun? Dahil may panghihinayang ka? Dahil nasasayangan ka? Kung ganun man ang lagay, ibig sabihin you haven't moved on from that specific scenario yet. Kung ang paraan man ay dapat patawarin mo yung sarili mo, then start there. Because if you keep labeling people from your past na, ito, the one that got away, ito, greatest love, means there's feelings there. So ibig mo ba sabihin, pag bumalik tong mga to, okay lang sa'yo? Eh kung oo yung sagot mo, di ibig sabihin, hindi ka pa nakakausad ng buo. At lalo mong pinapahirapan yung sarili mo dahil nga nilalagyan mo ng label tong mga to na dapat hindi naman. So kung usapang Totga lang naman, patawarin mo yung sarili mo. And if you do, start moving forward. Tingnan natin kung ituturing mo pa yung mga tao na yan at the one that got away. Instead, treat these people as lessons in your life. Dahil kung hindi sila dumaan sa buhay ninyo, hindi nyo matututunan yung kailangan ninyong malaman. Kasi kung hindi pa kayo fully healed, fully moved on from what happened in the past, imagine your partner hearing you say, etong tao na to, the one that got away ko yan. Etong tao na to, greatest love ko yan. So may label ka for those people who hurt you. Tapos magbigay ng label sa present ninyo, hirap na hirap kayo. Really? Again, my young kings and queens, pag-isipan ninyo yan ng mabuti. You are putting unreasonable burden sa buhay ninyo. These people are from your past. Tandaan mo yan. At kung ano man yung nangyari sa nakaraan, wala ka na mababago dyan. Either you start healing yourself and moving forward without these people and accepting the fact na lesson sila sa buhay mo, or you're gonna be stuck there for the rest of your life, labeling these people as someone who's the greatest and the one who got away. Live in regret or live your life in the present and always want to be a better version of yourself. Your choice. I'll see you in the next vid, my young kings and queens. Stream all my songs on all streaming platforms. Other than that, nice.